Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is weight, the gravitational force on you. By the end of this video, you'll know how weight differs from mass, how to calculate it, and why an astronaut weighs a sixth on the moon, but still has the same mass. Weight is the force of gravity on an object. The formula is weight equals mg, where m is the mass in kilograms and g is the gravitational field strength. On Earth, g is 9.8 newtons per kilogram, so a 60 kilogram student weighs 60 times 9.8, which is 588 newtons. Three things. 1. Weight is a force measured in newtons. Mass is the amount of matter measured in kilograms. 2. Mass is constant, but weight depends on where you are. 3. On Earth, use G equals 9.8 newtons per kilogram. On the Moon, around 1.6 newton per kilogram. Common slip, confusing weight and mass. They're different. Mass, kilograms, fixed. Weight, newtons, varies with gravity. Calling a 60 kilogram person weighing 60 kilograms is sloppy. They weigh 588 newtons. Quick example. The same 60 kilogram student takes a trip to the moon. Mass stays 60 kilograms. However, the weight equals 60 times 1.6 equals 96 newton, about a sixth of their Earth weight, but no easier to push because the mass is the same. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, now across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.